How to change language on Exness. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Exness. To do so, first of all, open your Exness application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to locate the profile icon. Tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Here tap on the settings icon at the top right, and then once you reach the settings page, here you'll be able to see different options. Under this preferences section on the top, here you'll be able to locate the language option. Simply tap on it and then from this list you will need to select the one that you would like to change to. Here you may not get the language as there is a limited number of languages. You may not able to find the one that you are looking for. If you find the one that you are looking for, you can simply tap on that language and set it. Once after doing that, you can return back and then refresh the page, and then you will be able to see the changes. So by following these steps, you should be able to change language on Exness. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.